If you're currently experiencing this Windows error code, here are some ways to get rid of it. First, run the Update Troubleshooter by going to Settings, select System, and click on Troubleshoot. Then select Other Troubleshooters, and then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. You'd also try restarting the Windows Update services. To do it, launch the command prompt with admin rights, run the following commands one by one, restart your computer, and then check for updates again. Next, try disabling all the background applications by going to Task Manager, click on the Processes tab, and then force all background applications that is not needed. Now those are the different ways on how you can get rid of this error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.